Hello everyone, you're welcome to solve this nice algebra problem, which is x times 27 to the power of x. This is equal to 1. So what is the value of x given that x is not equal to 0? So let's provide a solution from here. Now, we are going to apply two methods to solve this. Let's start with method 1. Method 1. So we have x multiplied by 27 raised to the power of x. This is equal to 1. So we can express 27 basically as 3 to the power of 3. So we have x multiplied by 3 to the power of 3 raised to the power of x. This is equal to 1. Now we have that 3 to the power of 3 to the power of x. This is in the form of a to the power of n raised to the power of m, which we can express as a to the power of n times m. Applying this exponent property, then here we have x times 3 to the power of 3x. This is equal to 1. Now, let's introduce the exponent property here, so that if you have the exponent e to the power of ln of a, this is the same thing as a. So this implies that here we can express 3 as exponent e to the power of ln of 3. This is the same thing as 3. Substituting this, then we have x multiplied by exponent e to the power of 3x ln of 3. This is equal to 1. The next step from here we have 3x ln of 3, but here we have x. So let's multiply both signs by 3 ln of 3, so that we have here 3x ln of 3 multiplied by exponent e to the power of 3x ln of 3. This is equal to 1 times 3 ln of 3. So we have here 3x ln of 3 and 3x ln of 3. So this implies that here we can introduce the Lambert W function, which implies that if you have the W function of a multiplied by exponent e to the power of a, this is the same thing as a. Therefore, if we have the W function on both sides, we have the W function of 3x ln of 3 multiplied by exponent e to the power of 3x ln of 3, cross the parentheses. This is equal to the W function of 3 ln of 3. Now, this implies that here, this is a, and also this is a. So we have that the W function of 3x ln of 3 multiplied by exponent e to the power of 3x ln of 3. So here we have 3x ln of 3. This is equal to the W function of 3 ln of 3. We can express 3 in terms of exponent, so that if we have e to the power of ln of 3, this is the same thing as 3. So on the left hand side we have 3x ln of 3. This is equal to the W function of ln of 3 multiplied by exponent e to the power of ln of 3. Now, this is the same thing as a, and also this is the same thing as a. If you recall, we have that the Lambert W function of a multiplied by exponent e to the power of a, this is the same thing as a. So applying this, then we have that on the right hand side, we have ln of 3. So that now, the left hand side we have 3x ln of 3. This is equal to ln of 3. So let's divide both signs by ln of 3. So here is ln of 3. So if you simplify here, then we have 3x. This is equal to ln of 3 here, simplifies. So this is the same thing as 1. So let's divide both sides by 3 and also here by 3. So that now we have the value of x equal to 1 over 3. So this is the value of x by applying method 1. This is by method 1. Let's apply method 2 from here. Let's apply method 2. Now, if you recall, we have that x multiplied by 27 to the power of x. This is equal to 1. Now, the first step here is to divide both sides by x, so that now x and x here simplifies, so that we have 27 raised to the power of x. This is equal to 1 over x. The next step from here is to eliminate this power x here, and to do that we multiply both sides by 1 over x. So this is equal to 1 over x raised to the power of 1 over x. So now let's simplify here. X and x simplifies, so that now we have 27. This is equal to 1 over x raised to the power of 1 over x. The next step is that we can express 27 basically as 3 to the power of 3. So now we have 3 to the power of 3. This is equal to 1 over x raised to the power of 1 over x. Now, if you check the base here and the exponent here is the same, and if you check the base here and the exponent is the same, so this means that 1 over x, this is equal to 3. 3 is a whole number, so this is over 1. So let's cross multiply here, so that now we have 3x. This is equal to 1. So let's divide both sides by 3. So divide here by 3, so that now we have that x is equal to 1 over 3. So this is the value of x by applying method 2. This is my method 2. The next step from here is to verify that this value of x satisfies the equation. So let's verify here. Now, we have that x multiplied by 27 to the power of x. This is supposed to give us a value of 1. Therefore, substituting x, which is 1 over 3, multiplied by 27. Remember, this is 27 is the same thing as 3 to the power of 3, then raised to the power of x, which is 1 over 3. This should give us a value of 1. So 3 and 3 here simplifies, so that now here we have 1 over 3 times 3. This is supposed to give us a value of 1. So 3 and 3 here simplifies, so that we have 1 is equal to 1. So the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. And this proves that the value of x here, which is equal to 1 over 3, satisfies the equation. So kindly follow the steps, like this video, and kindly subscribe. Please like this video and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye for now.